So earlier this week, I believe I posted a video showing you my focus on GBP Unfortunately, I missed that trade, but I managed to catch a trade on AUD It did not move as far as GBP moved. We already know that GBP is one of the fastest pairs, but anyway, I missed that entry, and but I managed to get a nice buy on AUD as you can see. So I bought this on Wednesday, Wednesday, the 13th of April, and that's my entry, and that's where I moved my stop losses to kind of break even, just to protect myself. But you can see we are now dancing on that middle zone there, and my thinking is, I think as soon as I'm done with this video, I need probably to just close my trades, because I'm not happy with those wicks at the top of those last candles. We are in the middle zone, and those wicks on those candles, I'm not exactly happy with them. So probably when we finish this video, I'll just close these trades and see and call it a weekend. It's Easter, so I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to hold my trades throughout Easter. So, but this just goes to illustrate to you that you can make money with a simple trading strategy. This is how I trade from zone to zone. You can clearly see why I took the buys there. You can easily see why I took the buys there. Um, Almost sniper entry or whatever people want to call them, but still good entries just to end the week. I wanted to do this on GBP but again I missed the entry. As before I go too far, by the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Let me just do this and just make sure that all my trades, I've got a stop loss there. Let me just move it a bit, because price is dancing around that middle zone, and I'm not sure if we're going to go anywhere. It would be nice if we show some movement to go up, but it looks like my gut says we might want to go back down. So let me just protect myself, but I want to close the trades when we are done. So I was saying, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. We have so many videos on this channel teaching you how to trade, showing you many things. So go ahead and like the video. If you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, there are also links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. People also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. So yeah, I just thought let me just provide you with this update on the GBP forecast that I put out. Unfortunately, I missed my entry on GBP but I managed to get an entry, easy entry. You can clearly see why I took this entry. There are two legs on and support zone, support area, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it supply and demand, some people call it support and resistance, whatever you call it, but good entry there. No mathematics, no funny things involved. So that's the trade. Whether it's going to reach that zone, I really wanted to do that, but with Easter weekend coming up, I'm not sure if there is enough volume in the markets to do that. So I'll probably just close these trades and call it a week, and we'll continue this next week. But anyway, I hope you learnt one or two things today. How I trade, how you can probably also simplify your trading. So again, if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Like this video. Until next time, bye.